APHLC Jaipong Branch Committee reshuffles its body on 12 September. 46-year-old man suffocated to death during ring well maintenance at Bonglong Terang village on 12 September. Trucks illegally transporting urea from Punjab seized at Karbi Anglong on 12 September. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. You're watching English Prime Time. Now the news in details. On 12 September, Jaipong Branch Committee organized induction cum body reshuffle event to strengthen the party at its office premises under Langhin constituency. The body reshuffle cum induction program was chaired by Sarmung Rongpar, advisor CCAPHLC. It was reported that ideas, policy, knowledge and tactics were shared among the party workers to strengthen the party in the days to come. Also, it was unanimously decided Ram Terang as the president for APHLC Jaipong Branch Committee, Dhorom Tokbi as the vice president and Sar Imbe as the general secretary of APHLC Jaipong Branch Committee.
Kasi pinia bangke komiti risapurlo apena sori sapul dat na pia bangke arpuni di thante po Ram Terang na presiden lo pente vice president na bangke Dhorom Tokbi lo apen kong tin bangke Sarim de do
ni tum ka dukawe tepang rumpet ala dagla so branch long ar kubang bang koram podu.
Right after the formation of full-fledged Jaipong Branch Committee, they unanimously adopted a resolution to gear up for their participation at the 6th scheduled seminar program. It was also informed that all the villages falling under Langhin constituency would contribute a sum of Rs 500 each to meet up the expenses of the delegations as well as for the contribution of the party fund. Sarpangri Intir Kathar's report from Langhin, Karbi Anglong Live. On 12 of September, a person identified as Abul Ali Hussain, 46 years old, was hired by Ram Singh Terang for maintenance and revival of the fresh ring water in his residence, as the ring well was dehydrated slowly. Locals informed that the victim entered the ring well at around 11 a.m. to start deepening the ring well. It was then the victim started struggling to breathe as the oxygen level was low inside, which resulted to his death due to suffocation. Locals informed that the only ring well where the villagers could obtain fresh drinking water is from the ring well situated at Ram Singh Terang's residence. It is a lifeline to nearly 62 families of the village. But due to non-maintenance of the ring well is on a merge of dehydration and drying up. The villagers are forced to hire Abul Ali Hussain for digging up the ring well as there was no any man from the village who is willing to volunteer in the task. Tragically, the man died while working inside the ring well due to shortage of oxygen supply inside.
Pining dom lang sok mo bidan masih dia la soalang kene pasabak sosolo ni mine phan pura ni munit chang ni eglo chang ni si dak lang patugi pusi kene lu la ringang lu long pa ki ko itu panuk cho lang po jalu.
The villagers reported about the incident to the police and putting up their collective efforts they tried to rescue the body several times yet they failed over and over again. Leaving no way out, SDRF team was later called from Golaghat for the recovery of the deceased body.
Alang bang suntek puya lo ni sunpo puya lo mat suntuk lo alang bang. Ni tum bang ke anda tek tepu bang pi do ni tum he klem rapet tum he di. Amat si alang bang suntuk lo bang un idalong ke. Ingke an ke hang nang yong si un ilu pulute bangoi pun ni tum hang ulu sita un idalong ke alang.
Police informed that the cause of death might be due to asphyxiation. The actual cause would be ascertained after the post-mortem report. Bijoy Rongpi's report from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. On 12 September, during a uniform checking at National Highway by Khatkati Police, 5 fully loaded trucks was intercepted with a suspicion of carrying illegal goods with them. It was reported that the trucks began their journey from Jharkhand and was on their way to Imphal when Khatkati Police intercepted and seized under their possession at Karbi Anglong. 5 fully loaded LP trucks bearing registration numbers BR02W 5395, BR26GA 5367, NL01Q 7673, JH12G 2126 and NL01AC 7293 was seized by the police. The trucks seized were taken to Khatkati Police Station and Agriculture Department. From Deepu was called for the examination of the quality of the urea. The rain covers were taken off from the trucks by the police and Agricultural Department to check the bags rigorously. It was later informed that the bags consist of 46% urea and nearly 400 units of bags are equipped in every truck. The contrabands, if sold, would worth as much as rupees 10 lakhs in an open market. Anantaram's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. On 12th of September, Institute of Homeo Health and Science Education and Ayush Foundation organized Medicinal Plants Plantation Drive at Langnimso Bay Village, Hamren. 30 to 40 years ago, people are mostly dependent on forest resources as remedies for various sickness and diseases. People utilize the naturally found medicinal plants as a curative measures in day-to-day life. But due to unanticipated pace of civilization taking place globally, the traditional practice of using naturally found medicinal plants seems to be fading away. And with this pace, the extinction of medicinal plants and herbs could undergo within the span of 10 years. Hence, to preserve as well as conserve those rare and endangered medicinal plants and herbs, Institute of Homeo Health Science Education and Ayush Foundation organized Medicinal Plants Plantation Drive in collaboration with the villagers of Langnimso Bay Village on 12th of September. It was informed that the Institute of Homeo Health Science Education and Ayush Foundation had conducted several workshops and awareness programs across the state, and the initiatives of Medicinal Plants Plantation Drive had carried out successfully in many places. Subhas Terang's report from Langchuting, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.